Malay Mahapatra wake up early in the morning to go to his office, races the accelerator after sitting on his Ola electric scooter. But instead of going forward, scooter runs in the reverse direction and he falls down from that scooter. In only 7 days, more than 4 electric scooters have caught fire, after which a great question arises that should we trust on Ola electric scooter or Ola electric is also a scam where Ether Energy started in 2013 from making their electric scooter to bring into the market took 8 years. On the other side, Ola Electric launched its scooter in the market within 1 year. Interestingly, the craze of Ola electric scooter was this much that on first day more than 1 lakh people did booking for it, and the company who took 10 years to earn a profit of 90 crores, that company did a revenue of 1100 crore in a single day. So this story begins in 2010 when Bhavesh Agrawal along with his friend Ankit Bhati start Ola Cabs, and amazingly in year 2015 after acquiring Taxi for Sure, Ola's valuation reached 7000 crore plus, and finally after 10 years of operations Ola became a profitable startup with the profit of 90 crores, and this is the point from where Ola everything was about to change. Year 2020 Ola does an announcement for every into the electric scooter, and with the investment of 2400 crores set up a future factory in the Krishnagiri district of Tamil Nadu. 2 July 2021, Bhavesh Agrawal on Bangalore Street riding on Ola electric scooter post one of his video, and this video gets viral overnight, and due to this video getting viral, craze of Ola Electric among the people rises in such a way that on 15 July when Ola opened its booking, then only within a day itself more than 1 lakh people book for Ola Electric. Very interesting. People who not getting booking at that time were considered themselves unlucky. Today after looking at such incident of Ola are thanking God. But the question is why these all are happening. Where is the whole country scooters of Ola Electric have caught fire? There with Ethan Energy, biggest competitor of Ola, no such thing are happening. Well, to understand all this, we need to understand 3 critical points. Number 1, how the system of Ola Electric works. Number 2, what was the problem with Ola Electric, and the third and the most important, whatever the problem was, what was the reason behind it. So if we understand in a very simple way, then electric two-wheeler consists 3 main components. First, battery, second, battery management system, and third, engine. From battery charging to electric flow in the whole vehicle, it controlled by the battery management system BMS ensure that batteries charge flow, and the lithium ion batteries of electric vehicles can catches fire. To tackle these things, every electric scooter air or liquid cooling system are installed, like fans are provided in the electric vehicle of Ether Energy. But interestingly, if you see Ola electric vehicle, it does not have any active cooling system. Many other things are responsible as well. Number 1, Dutech design. Have you ever thought which electric scooter took 8 years at Ether Energy to get ready? How Ola Electric got it launched in only 1 year? Well, the reality is instead of making Ola electric scooters themselves, in 2020 acquired a Netherlands bankrupt company Attigo at $4 million used their design. But every scooter of Attigo was designed according to the weather of Netherlands, where neither temperature rise above 25 degree in summers and nor the road were contained into the river in rains. Plus, to provide top speed of 100 km per hour and range 180 km, so Bhavesh Agrawal replaced the swappable battery of Attigo, removed them and put a fixed battery, due to which this problem increased even more. I know that you are thinking that if this is much in this thing, then only problem is of battery. Just fix it and everything will be back on track. But guess that this problem is much bigger than what is looking, which brings towards the second critical point. What is the running in the Ola which anyone does not know about? To create EV revolution in India, Ola Electric hired more than 2000 peoples, and There was no one guide to them of Ola. Ankit Bhatti, along with Bhavesh Agrawal, made Ola cabs, and he was not given much decision making power in Ola Electric, due to which he left Ola Electric. Then in November, Briraj Waghani becomes the CTO of Ola Electric, but soon he leaves the company as well. And shockingly, things in when Bhavesh Agrawal was giving promise about Ola Electric, at that time the company did not have any chief technology officers. Can anyone even in this dream can we think that a mobile app building company is building a tech driven futuristic product without any chief technology officer? And when Bhavesh Agrawal did announcement of Ola Electric scooter, at that time only 60% of work was done on electric. Former employee Pradeep K. Shah tells that in Ola Electric, Bhavesh Agrawal had given everyone such unrealistic deadline that even testing of the product was not done properly. But now question arises that if so much things were messed up in the company, then why Ola Electric lost unfinished product in the market? And this brings us the most important question: what the reason behind all these mess ups in the Ola Electric? Well, biggest reason of this is the investors pressure. Ola was started 10 years ago, and in India cab market is already saturated, due to which Ola growth potential is declined day by day. Plus, moreover, because Bhavesh Agrawal has invested the money of investors in the other unrelated business, giving investors good return in raw their compensation, this pressure can be provided very dangerous for any startup, because side effect of this pressure is toxic work culture. And how could Ola have survived from this? Till now, 12 plus top management executive of Ola have left the company, and Ola Electric won't have any CTO. And in fact, initial founder of Ola, Mr. Ankit Bhatti, Anand Shah and Ankit Jain, all of them left the company as well, due to which Bhavesh Agrawal was left with the last option, which was to create such hype of Ola Electric in the market, and that one can be compete till far enough. But interestingly, to maintain that hype, the product needed to be delivered. To deliver them in the race of unrealistic deadline, to so many faulty scooters of the Ola are the street. But where Ola Electric is failed, on the other side, the other companies like Ather Energy, Revolt Motors are revolutionizing the EV market of Indian completely. If you learned something valuable from this video, then do like this video, and if you are new on this channel, then subscribe, and so that such videos never missed from you. And yes, if you want to know the truth behind Elon Musk acquiring Twitter, then do watch the right side video. Thank you.